Hi everybody, this is Ayman Khushoy. I will describe to you the introduction of programming. The programming introduction contains flowchart, variables, branches and database. This is the basic parts of any program. In the beginning, what is the programming? Is the programming talking to the computer, or programming is giving instructions to the computer, or programming is talking to the computer and taking the computer in mind journey to do something, or programming is all of the previous? Programming is talking to the computer, it's correct. It's also giving instruction to the computer, correct. Taking computer in mind journey to do something, it's correct. So it is all of the previous. If you have a computer and you will told him, could you calm down and do the tasks? He doesn't do something, he don't understand you. But if you told him 01, 001, 00 and so on, he understand and say okay. So the language between you and the computer is binary code contains of 1 and 0 digits. You gave the computer an instruction of follow path. To follow path. The computer will follow the path you determine. You draw the path to the computer to follow. This path of computer science called flowchart. As seen on the chart, it's begin with start box and finished with end box, and between it, the two boxes, there is many tasks you can give it to the computer. It is start and many tasks and then end. Tasks can be one of this shape. You can make a process, any process you want mathematically. Decision making, input or output, data, display, start or end, and this little circle is a connector. The group of the shape called flowchart. It is an easy way to convert a programmer idea to flowchart, which you can convert to any programming language. You start the idea and draw the flowchart, then convert the flowchart to programming language. If you see here, teacher start to programming and want to sort student up to their score of math exam. He want to sort the student degrees, records, score up to their score of math exam. The flowchart start with input, the score, compare the score with reference, print the score, end the program. So you start here, input the score. If score greater than or equal to 90, if yes, it is grade A. If no, you go to compare score with 80, greater than or equal 80. If yes, grade B, and so on until you get score greater than or equal 60 and give it grade D, and continue with the programming, and this is grade F if smaller than 60. If you want to find summation of 5 numbers, in the first initiate the summation equal to 0, it is empty, and count equal 0, and enter the first number find summation, summation plus n, and then if count less than 5, go to the next step, and then print the final result. Here is a flowchart. Start, both summation and the count equal 0, enter n, you see the shape here for input and output, summation equal summation plus n, count increased by 1, if count less than 5, yes, go to next number, if no, print the summation and stop. It is easy. We're talking now about variables. What is variables? Variables is a little boxes in the memory, a little different boxes in the memory of the computer. The first variable is Boolean. Boolean, it is true or false, like day and night, girl and boy, 0 and 1. Its size is 2 bytes. The byte, can contain from 0 to 255, and its size is 1 byte, like coins in your pocket. Integer, this is the size, 4 byte, from this number in minus to this number in plus. Short, it is 2 byte and have a decimal number. Long, size is 8 byte and have this number from negative to this number to positive. Single, it is decimal number, also 4 byte. Double, it is large decimal number and it is 8 byte. And there is a decimal variable 16 byte. It is more larger for complicated mathematical problems. And also there is a variable called string. It is about 2 billion letters. It is 10 byte. 2 multiplied by the number of letters plus 10 bytes. It's the size from 0 to 2 billion Unicode character. You can make a long story. You can edit a long story in the variable string. A long story. It can contain all your friend's name and your family's name and your neighbor's name and address and email, everything, every data. Character, it is 2 byte. It can contain alphabetically letters for any language, just 1 character and 1 number. Date, it's contain dates from 1 January in year 1 to 31 December at 1999. The size is 8 byte. It can contain all your family and friends' birth date. Objects, it is different. It's contain all previous variables. Can replace with all previous variables. Its size is 4 byte. What about branches? Branches is easy. It is not make the program to go in one straight line, but you can branch. If you have if yes, go to here, there. If no, go to from here. It is a simple branch. If something, if yes, go to from this point. If no, go to this point. There is a multi branches case of variable. If the variable have value 1, go to here, value 2, go to here, value 3, go to here, value 4, go to here. You can make it as multi choices. Database. How can we work with database? Microsoft Visual Basic .NET can work with different database. Access database for Microsoft, Oracle database from Oracle, SQL database, and this is the the icon for each for the database. And the simple idea of database, if you have a data here in this tank, you can make a provider to connect with the database and get the data to user. And here the maximum data size overflow. You can filter screen here for each data do you want. If you want to the all emails, all address, all name, or family name, you can filter. And that is the all. Thank you. For any questions, contact me at khushoy@gmail.com or call me at this number.